Hello everyone, and welcome here to MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. My name is Chris Wenstrom, standing aboard a brand new 46 Cantius from Cruisers Yachts. And today we're going to walk through this boat and show you 5 specific features that this boat does include. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take a walk outside and start here in the cockpit. And wanted to note the actual shade mechanism, and this is actually a make fast shade, so it's going to have less chance of bounding up and a little bit more reinforced structural hardware to just give it a little bit more sturdiness when you are doing some low cruising speed. And I do like the fact that they popped the white color, something different, and does kind of just blend with the white theme of the boat here. But as you see, beautiful wraparound seating, nice high gloss finished table as well. And what's nice is that you can power all of your exterior lights right here on the starboard side of the cockpit, and that's also where you can bring your shade in and out as well. So continuing on back here, let's go ahead and take a walk down below onto the submersible swim platform. With these Cantius boats, they do put the grill in different locations. Something very unique to the 46 is I like the fact that they do put the grill all the way aft, so you don't have smoke and any of your food kind of burning around your guests that are in here trying to socialize. So they moved the grill as far back as they could. And as you can see, nice expansive swim platform here to be able to do some entertaining, obviously do some barbecuing if you want. And you do have a nice deep storage compartment back here as well. So a nice feature, having the grill a little bit separated from your seating area. So nice job there from Cruisers. Now working our way inside aboard the 46 Cantius, we're going to talk about a couple features here in the salon and also at the helm. So as we do kind of look at this seating arrangement, one thing that I like to talk about is that it is on an elevated platform. So it just gives me a little bit more of an intimate seating arrangement where if I wanted to have a more private conversation, I can kind of isolate myself away from the group that day. And it does have a nice expandable table with both of these leaves that will collapse if you wanted to make it a little bit smaller. Just wanted to show you the size of the table, nice high gloss finish on it. And something that we do talk about on these boats, they've done very well with Cruisers, is the amount of natural light that you have with the size of the windows and the windshield to really make the boat feel much larger than it actually is. But with the Cruisers line, the Cantius line rather, is the one thing that we do like to talk about is the ease of ownership and operation. So standing here at the helm, as you can see, I have everything nice and cleanly laid out in front of me. I don't have to reach to get to my steering wheel. It's in a great placement here, and really have all the things that I need without having to move or be uncomfortable while operating the boat, especially on a longer trip. But some of the other things, I do have my throttle in a perfect position right here. Also just behind is my joystick for my IPS drives. These are the D6 600s in the 46 Cantius. And a small feature I think it's really cool though, just to highlight, is if I do open this window, it gives me direct access to my midship cleat. So if I need to quickly tie a line or pass something off to somebody, I can do that without even leaving the helm. Now down below aboard the 46 Cantius, we are in the master stateroom, and one thing that is certainly one of the highlights on this boat is the fact that we do have a full beam master. So on a 46-foot boat, great to be able to include that from Cruisers. As you can see, very unique in how they laid the floor plan out. They give you a little bit of relief as you work your way over to the other side of the bed there, but tremendous amount of storage. I also do have a combination washer dryer, but along with it being a full beam master, this is certainly one of the most comfortable loungers that I have ever laid down in. So a great place to be able to just relax and read a book. I do have a flat screen TV directly in front as well. So great place to just get out of the sun if you wanted to come down, take a nap, but incredible to have this size of a master aboard the 46. Something else that we want to talk about is the different wood color options that you do have. So this boat was done in a matte finish in the ebony oak choice. You also do have a mocha wood option, which would be a little bit lighter, and then both are available in either matte or a high gloss finish. So I hope this helps. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions to any of us here at MarineMax in Pompano, and thanks for watching.